Hi guys, I'm Nayantara Rai reporting for ET Now, and today I have an exclusive story for you. Is Flipkart about to lose its crown jewel? Yes, I'm talking about PhonePe. ET Now learns from sources that Walmart, that owns Flipkart, is looking at spinning off PhonePe. This is source-based information. What we also learned is, even though many startups, unicorns, are externalizing, shifting their base from India, opening registered offices in other parts of the world, PhonePe is planning a Ghar Wapsi. That's right, is planning to immigrate back to India and shift its registered office from Singapore to India. So what we understand, therefore, is, and PhonePe has been quite vociferous about the fact that it wants to IPO. So if you look at all of this, it comes back to India with a registered office, then it's spun off from Flipkart, and then there's the IPO, which is going to therefore be on the large street because it'll be registered here. So interesting days ahead for us. Now, if you go back in time and remember when Walmart bought Flipkart, it didn't know how valuable PhonePe was going to be. A lot was said at that time, the secret bounty that came out for Walmart. Now, Walmart is probably looking at it like this: that Flipkart's and PhonePe's monthly average users are comparable. To be fair here, though, to Flipkart, payment apps always get more traction, they're more sticky. Nevertheless, it's comparable. That's what we understand. And uh, PhonePe has very clear ambitions. So it built payments, now it's building financial services, insurance, and lending. And on top of all of that, is going to build e-commerce. So it has e-commerce ambitions as well. In fact, if you were to go on the PhonePe app even now, you'll see a section called Stores. It has already onboarded 30 million merchants. And this is probably the way Walmart is seeing it, that if you've got PhonePe, which is onboarding merchants, it already has so much data from consumers. It already has the consumers, 46% a market share. When you look at UPI in June, you know, it makes sense for Walmart to do so. So having said that, we of course reached out to both Flipkart as well as PhonePe. We did not get a comment from either of them. They refused to respond to ET Now's questionnaire. And just coming back to PhonePe's e-commerce ambitions, it's also already going to be doing e-commerce with ONDC, which is supposed to be the UPI moment as far as e-commerce goes. Then you're asking, what about logistics? Well, this is, times are different now. An e-commerce player doesn't need to have logistics. Look at Meesho, for example. So even though Flipkart built e-cart, it could look at unbundling PhonePe. It can do it with delivery. It can do it with the Shiprocket. It can do it, with the many other logistics companies can do. So it doesn't need a logistics company per se, and it can go down that asset-light model. This is just pure conjecture. The breaking news, of course, being the exclusive story that we're bringing for you about how Flipkart may lose its crown jewel, which is PhonePe. Now, if you come to Flipkart as well, it was supposed to do an IPO, right? Looking very, very tough. But having said that, it's going to be interesting to see what will happen to Flipkart's valuation if PhonePe is spun off. A lot of its valuations were, of course, based on that. It was considered to be the crown jewel, the secret bounty that Walmart never knew it was getting.